equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV14 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and pulling it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum cleaner. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the motor compartment. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors during this process. Now, you should see the motor. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment. A clean workspace will help ensure the longevity of your vacuum. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have it serviced without any hassle. Next, disconnect the motor from the wiring harness. Carefully pull the connectors apart, ensuring you don't damage any wires. Once disconnected, use your pliers to remove any screws or clips holding the motor in place. With the motor free, take your new motor and position it in the compartment. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it's tightly fitted to avoid any vibrations during operation. Reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring each connector is firmly in place. This step is crucial as a loose connection can lead to malfunction. After everything is secured, replace the cover of the motor compartment. Align it properly and press down until you hear a click, indicating it's locked in place. Now, replace the screws at the base of the vacuum cleaner to secure the cover. Remember to check that all screws are tightened properly to prevent any rattling during use. Finally, reattach the dust canister and plug your Dyson SV14 back into the power source. Turn it on to test if the new motor is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We are here to help you get your vacuum back in top shape. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson SV14. If you prefer not to do it yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have the best options available. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.